Hi, Michael Swanson here with Kamibijuu shears. Today I'm going to teach you about swivel shears. The first thing you need to learn is how to hold them. To start, hold them like you would a regular pair of shears. Loosen your grip. You're going to push down with your pinky in a twisting motion, kind of like you're closing your hand. You want the swivel part of the handle to be perpendicular with the shear. Once you learn how to hold them, it's time to cut. You don't have to keep your elbow raised, and you don't have to get into awkward positions. With layers, it's a game changer. Instead of raising your elbow up, just drop it, and you'll see how easy it is to cut. With point cutting, just drop your elbow, and you'll instantly see the benefits of doing it. I now use them for 90% of my cuts. It's the simplest thing you can do to offset the strain that salon work puts on your body. If you're interested in trying out a pair, Kamibijuu has a 15-day return policy, so you have nothing to lose.